small letter alphabet. A for ant. A for ant. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for cat. C for cat. D for duck. D for duck. E for egg. E for egg. F for flowers. F for flower. G for gorilla. G for gorilla. H for hen. H for hen. I for inkpot. I for inkpot. J for juice. J for juice. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. L for lemon. M for mango. M for mango. N for nut. N for nut. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. P for ferret. P for ferret. Q for quail. Q for quail. R for rose. R for rose. S for snake. S for snake. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Okay, kid, bye.